show how to create and delete a user, super user, normal user in Ubuntu. So here you have to go in the settings part. In settings you can see the users. There are lots of options there, as you can see in Ubuntu. This is the details of the version. This is a little bit older version, but it works same like the latest version. Everything is same here. Users. There is a user already called Prashant here. It's just to show you I have created this thing earlier. But you can't delete this user because this is the default user. So what we should do, if you want to create a new user, you can't remove also. Remove is disabled here. So I will show you now. You can do from either from graphical user or through command line. First type the password. Now see, there is an option called add user. Initially you have to unlock the user, then you can add user. What type of user? Standard or administrator? I want to give administrator privilege to the new user. So click on administrator. Suppose Aryan you have written. I will set a password for this. You can allow a user to set a password also. Even just watching this demonstration you can easily implement. It's very easy in Ubuntu. Click on add. See, the user is created. This is the graphical user mode, graphical interface, without writing any command line. But I will show now how to create using command line. There is some sudo command, etc. are there. Go to the terminal. Now it is showing Prashant at the rate Ubuntu. Now it is switch to, first you have to give the password. Now see it is to Aryan now. Now it is not in Prashant. Switch user, it is called switch. You have to write su space minus and the username. Now sudo is for administrative access for Aryan. Write the password for Aryan, which we have created already. Now see the directory location changed. It is showing Aryan. Yeah. So it is taking that administrative access which we have created earlier. That is the use of sudo. Sometimes machine gets hanged because huge memory is required. Now click on exit. Now again switch the user to Prashant. Give the password again. And then again sudo access. Password for Prashant you have to give. Whenever you write sudo, that means it is the administrative access. Now you are writing add user, creating through command line. As Prashant is a default user of this computer, he can create a user through this command line. I am creating John Rambo. Okay, user has been added. I have to create a password for him. What is written? Adding new user, adding new group John, adding new user John 1002 with group John. The home directory John already exists. Not copying from. These are the things they will show once it is created. You don't need to think so much on this now. Your objective is to create and delete. That's what this video. In later videos I will show you the commands. Okay. Just focus on the main commands. What is showing? Enter the new value for the full name. Just write the full name. John Rambo. room number 44. You may leave some space, some location also. I have written nothing written here for some fields. Is the current information correct? Yes. Now it's in the Prashanto. I have to switch user to again John. Let's see whether John is created. Now give to sudo access. You have to give sudo access to John. Let's check whether it is getting the sudo access or not. Yeah, it is taking. First give the password. John is not in the sudo. Yeah, John user is created, but John is not the super user like Prashant and that Aryan. So what should we do? I will show you now. Here see John, which is created already through command line, but it is a standard user actually. It is not the administrator. So to give it the administrative access, we need to do something. What should we do? Let's check out. Sorry for some delay, sometime machine gets hanged. Huge memory is taking. I hope you know that. Again switch user to Prashant first. This is the steps. Then go to sudo Prashant, administrative access to Prashant. Then write this cd space this /etc. This is you have to write. Just don't ask why, but first you have to write this. I will show you later what are the use of these things. cd is change directory. Okay. Now it's changing to etc now. This is how command line works for creating super user or administrative access. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, CLS, list of files. It is showing the list of files. There is a file called group. I have to do some editing there, then only it will show it will take John Rambo as a sudo access. I need to edit that file, that group file. Yes. etc. Let's search out for that file. Yeah, that group file. Can you see that group? I can see. This is the rhythm divine. Hold on, keep your patience for some time. You have to write this nano. Okay, nano space group you have to write. Now you see there are this is mainly a kind of text editor, this nano. So see this sudo, we have to this is the line you have to change here. Sudo already access to Prashant Aryan, comma write John here. Then John will also get access of that super user administrator. Now just save it and get out from there. Okay, the file has been edited. Now we will check again. Just press exit. Now again we are in that Prashant. Switch user to John again. Then write the password. Yeah, it is taking now. Now write sudo space su. Password for John you after giving. See, now it is taking. So that means earlier it was not taking when you written sudo, now it is taking after editing that group. So John is also super user, administrator like Prashant and Aryan. See, these are the things you can see here. This is Aryan, this is John. These accounts I have created to show you actually how this works. Click on this, unlock. Whenever you need to do some delete operation, you need to just click on this unlock. See, the remove user option is there in the below part. Can you see that? Now you can delete the account. Delete files or keep files. Delete files means everything will be deleted of that user and account will be deleted. Keep files means only files will be there, but account will be deleted for that user. I prefer delete files. So you need to click on this. John is deleted. This is another way of graphical user of deletion. Again, I will show through command line also how to delete a user. Yeah, same thing. Now I will delete Aryan through command line. Let's check it out. I can delete from here also, but I have to show it to you because you have to do in your lab class also. Let's go to terminal. Okay, sudo su. Password you have given. User del for deleting a user. Name Aryan. It is deleted. See, it is deleted. You can see in the right side. So easy. So you have learned now how to create a user through GUI, how to create a user through command line, how to delete a user through GUI, how to delete a user. See, there is no such Aryan, no password entry. Delete from both GUI and command line, creation from both GUI and command line. You have learned both now. I hope you can implement in your machine now. It's very easy. It's for Ubuntu actually. For other platform maybe it's different, but more or less same. I want to give you the basic idea, that's why I created this video. Now again add user option is there. Now Prashant is the default user, that's why its name is there. I can't delete it. So the objective is clear now. Just what you have to do, you have to go to the extreme left corner, this dot option below. There you will get the settings and all users who are already present. So first you have to unlock, and then clicking on the unlock you can either add user, you can give him administrative access or simple access, that's up to you. You can also delete from there, same process. And if you want to do from command line, just you have seen add user option. First you have to switch account, then sudo access. If sudo access is not there, then you have to go use the nano command through this default user. Through nano you have to edit in the group file, and in the